We've talked about recent surveys that show many Americans don't have much in the bank.
No, we really struggle to save, right? But there are plenty of things that everybody should be saving for.
Yeah. Our money expert Bruce Helmer joins us now, and you have the 3 things that we should all be putting money away for.
Yeah, we all know we need to save, but maybe, and we all know that surveys show we don't save enough, but maybe if we're motivated to save for something special and have a reason, maybe we get better at saving.
Yeah.
So the top 3 things are going to be like a luxurious vacation, an amazing new car.
Yes.
Yep.
And
that's what I have on my list.
Jewelry for your wife. Right?
No, I think the number 1 is obviously retirement. Surveys show that like half of people 55 and older don't have anything saved for their retirement. I know my own parents who are now deceased didn't have anything for retirement. They just thought they could live on Social Security. Well, we're not supposed to live only on Social Security. We're supposed to have some of our own money to supplement that.
And you need that too.
Absolutely.
Okay, this next one I think is so timely because we just saw people lose really their entire life savings with the different hurricanes that came through. A natural disaster, it might not ever happen to you, but there is a chance that it could.
Everybody thinks it won't happen to them. Talk to the people in Houston or talk to the people in, now some places know, like Florida, they know they get hurricanes, but
we get tornadoes here,
right,
though.
you can get tornadoes, you can get a fire, you can just get a bad storm, you can get flooding damage, not even from a natural disaster, but a pipe breaks or something like that. So you want to save to be able to live for a while until you can, obviously insurance helps you with some of that cost, but you have to have enough money in the short term. The insurance company's not going to be there with a check the day after the disaster happens.
Right. Very, very true. You got to be careful about that. What about health emergencies?
Yeah, so I think of health and I also think of premature death. We have to save. I always tell my clients financial planning is hoping for the best, but planning for the worst. So if we get sick, if we get hurt in an accident, if we have a premature death, do we have money saved? Do we have insurance so that we can continue our lifestyle even if life throws us that curveball?
So let's be realistic about this. These 3 things, you're going to find like 7 people who are like, Bruce, I can't wait to start my account for premature death savings.
It's not as sexy as the stuff you brought up. It's not as sexy as a new car.
That's right. So how do we do this? How do we get people to do this?
I think people have to look at the ramifications of what if they don't. If you have to ask yourself, when do I want to retire? And when I retire, what do I want my lifestyle to be? If you're not saving for your own retirement, how are you going to retire? Who's going to pay for stuff? I think you have to look in the mirror and say, am I ever going to be able to retire, or do I have to work till I physically can't work anymore?
Yeah. Good. All right. Stuff to think about for sure.
Thanks, Bruce. You can see Bruce right here on Mid-Morning every Tuesday and get more financial advice on his show, Your Money, on CCO Radio. Just tune in Sunday mornings from 8:30 to 9:30.